Welcome to Blulink Marketing. Today, we're sharing our top 5 tips to improve your website's search engine optimization and boost your search engine rankings. The first step to improving your website's search engine optimization is optimizing your content. This includes using relevant keywords naturally within your text, headings, and meta descriptions. Keywords help search engines understand what your content is about, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Aim to create high-quality, informative, and engaging content that provides value to your audience. Remember, search engines prioritize content that answers users' queries effectively. Additionally, keep your content fresh by regularly updating existing pages and adding new blog posts. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find the best keywords for your niche. It's also important to use long-tail keywords, which are more specific and often less competitive than short-tail keywords. Next, focus on improving your website's loading speed. A slow website can negatively impact your search engine optimization and drive visitors away. Optimize your images by compressing them without losing quality. Use efficient coding practices like minimizing CSS and JavaScript files. And consider using a content delivery network to ensure your website loads quickly from any location. Tools like Google PageSpeed Insights can help you identify areas for improvement. Additionally, enabling browser caching and reducing server response time can make a significant difference in your site's performance. Keep in mind that users expect websites to load in under 3 seconds. If your site takes longer, you risk losing a significant portion of your audience. Regularly monitor your site's performance and address any issues promptly. Another important aspect of search engine optimization is building high-quality backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites to your site, signaling to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Focus on obtaining backlinks from reputable sources in your industry. Guest blogging, collaborating with influencers, and creating shareable content are great ways to build backlinks. Also, consider reaching out to industry publications or submitting your site to relevant directories. The key is to earn links from sites that have high domain authority and are relevant to your content. Avoid using black hat search engine optimization techniques like buying links, as these can lead to penalties from search engines. Instead, focus on building relationships with other industry leaders and providing value through your content. Don't forget about mobile optimization. With more people using mobile devices to browse the internet, having a mobile-friendly website is crucial. Ensure your site is responsive, meaning it adjusts smoothly to different screen sizes. Test your website on various devices to make sure it offers a seamless experience for all users. Mobile optimization isn't just about layout. It also involves making sure buttons are easily clickable, text is readable without zooming, and navigation is intuitive on smaller screens. Google's mobile-first indexing means that the mobile version of your site is considered the primary version. Therefore, it's essential that your mobile site provides a high-quality user experience. Finally, utilize analytics tools to track your search engine optimization progress. Tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console provide valuable insights into how your website is performing. Monitor metrics such as organic traffic, bounce rates, and keyword rankings. Use this data to refine your SEO strategy and make informed decisions. Regularly review your site's performance, identify pages with high bounce rates, and determine which content is driving the most traffic. This continuous monitoring and adjustment are key to long-term search engine optimization success. Additionally, consider setting up goals and conversion tracking in Google Analytics to measure how effectively your site is achieving its objectives. Use this information to make data-driven decisions and optimize your content and strategies over time. At Blulink Marketing, we're dedicated to helping you achieve your business goals and grow in the digital landscape. Visit us at blulinkmarketing.com to learn more about our services and how we can help your business thrive. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more digital marketing tips and insights.